हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। बच्चे आज हम लोग एक बेसिक क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर वर्क करेंगे। व्हाई वेवलेंथ कैन नॉट बी ऑब्जर्व्ड इन डेली लाइफ। जब आप डे टू डे लाइफ की बात करते हैं तो आपको वेवलेंथ ऑब्जर्व नहीं होती, वेवलेंथ दिखती नहीं है। क्या रीजन है इसका? व्हाट इज द रीजन व्हाई वेवलेंथ कैन नॉट बी ऑब्जर्व्ड इन आवर डेली लाइफ? So this question I am going to solve in two steps. Step number 1. We know mass energy relationship according to Einstein is E equal to mc square. Let us suppose this is your equation number 1. ड्यूल नेचर ऑफ मैटर एंड रेडिएशन में आप लोगों ने बात करी थी फोटोन की, और मुझे पता है फोटोन एनर्जी E is equal to h nu. So this is my equation number 2. So I have written two values for the same energy E. According to Einstein mass energy relationship, E equal to mc square, and according to energy of photon, E is equal to h nu. So by comparing equation 1 and 2, what I am getting? mc square that is equal to h nu. Fine. So this is the comparison. mc square that is equal to h nu. अब बच्चे h nu क्या है यहाँ पे? Nu is the frequency of the radiation, and I know speed of light c that is equal to nu lambda. So from here, what is the value for frequency nu is? It is c divided by lambda. आपने क्यों करा ये step? I am talking about wavelength, so I need to introduce wavelength that is represented by lambda. So by changing frequency into wavelength, this equation mc square that is equal to h. अब बच्चे फ्रीक्वेंसी के प्लेस पे nu is replaced by c upon lambda. So this is c divided by lambda. One c is going to cancel out with c, and we left with mc that is equal to h divided by lambda. My work is for the wavelength. Fine. So see from here wavelength is equal to, I am taking this wavelength from here to here, it is h divided by mc. So this is your equation number 3. This is my step number 1 to find out wavelength, but here speed is speed of light. Come to the second same step which we have to follow here. Now for material particle, I know c is always equal to v. जब भी आप मटेरियल पार्टिकल की बात करेंगे, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्पीड दैट इज इक्वल टू v. So what I am getting from equation number 3? Therefore equation number 3 can be written as wavelength lambda that is equal to h divided by mb, and this is my next equation number 4. Right? Now in day to day life, maximum material particle they are in the state of rest. So for stationary objects, or I can say for stationary particles, what happened? For stationary object, कौन से object को आप stationary बोलेंगे? When speed of the object is equal to 0. By using this value in equation number 4, what the value for the wavelength is? Wavelength is equal to h divided by m multiplied by 0. It means it is 0, and anything divided by 0 that is equal to infinity. So wavelength is infinite. Hence wavelength cannot be observed in our day to day life.